To add unlock animation to Samsung Galaxy S26, first of all, you will need to open a Galaxy Store on your device. Next step is to find an app, and the app name is Good Lock. So it's this app right here, you will need to download it. When it's downloaded, hit open. And then look for a plugin called Lockstar. There should be a download button next to it, so download the plugin, and when it's ready, click on Lockstar. Then click on it again right here and go for Unlock Animation. Now turn it on and pick the animation that you want to use. So for example, let's add the side and change it to the left and adjust the time. We can also change the interloper to linear, for example. And now if we go back and click on done, this is very important, click on done there, we can lock our device, and then if we unlock it, we'll get this animation. And that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching.